Hello, hello, my friends. How are you? How is it going? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, Algo 2.0. Hello, mate. How's it going? Hello, hello. Nice to see you. Let's go quickly to the charts. Quickly. Hello, Monica. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. I'm doing very well, Algo. Nice to ask. Thank you for asking, my beloved friend. I'm doing very well. I know that our schedule will be a little bit confused now these days because of the power saving changes that have happened in the US. On the rest of the world, unfortunately, they haven't changed. So in order to fit my schedule, we must do our live streams 1 hour late for the next 3 weeks. Aaron, good morning, my friend. Luis, hello. PGA, good afternoon. Algo says already one trade in went well, one TP hit. Well done. Maxi, nice to see you, mate. Hello. Of course, my friends, don't forget if you are enjoying what we are doing here in TTF, please hit the like button. It means a lot for everyone, especially for us. Let's go quickly to the charts and see what is going on. Of course, we are seeing that we are having a bullish expansion model. Price perfectly reacted. You know where it reacted from. It reacted from the Asian DR perfectly to the tick. DR has formed. This is the closing price of DR. So this means the opening price is here. The closing price is above. So this means that we have 70% probabilities that we are going to have a long confirmation. Okay, a long confirmation. Unfortunately, the 30-minute opening candle opened the opposite. It closed bearish, as we can see. It closed bearish, the first opening candle, changing a little bit our plans, but it is what it is. Aaron says, great Asia breakout that I just missed. Haha, I missed it also. Don't worry, Aaron. Don't worry. Maxi says, was a bit greedy today and want to see Asian low getting hit. Would have banked 2R, but instead I took 1R loss. Nothing wrong with it though, so I'm totally fine with it. You noticed what you did wrong by yourself. If your plan, if your tests were Maxi, my beloved friend, taking profits at 2R, you should have taken profits at 2R. You understand what I mean? I know that you understand. I'm sure that you are. That's why we stick to what we have tested. It's not only the powerful edge, it is also the whole data that we gathered. And in your situation, of course, it was the same. So, my friends, expecting a long confirmation, this means that our bias is for sure long on NQ. That's why we are going to search only for long setups. Asian low was 3.8R. Maxi says my tests were not with 2R. They were with the liquidity levels. They are closely nearby, which it has. Okay. 2R when there is nothing close. Okay, my friend. Okay, you know your data. Despite this fact, you see how many times. That's why I have changed in general what I do. And I go for fixed TP many times, or I go for shortened TP, because from all these times that I saw my TP got missed and reversed on me. That's why I changed it and use mostly fixed RR above 1.5. Above 1.5. Many times I will go for a 1.7, other times I will go for a 1.6. That's why. Because don't forget, Yes, I understand. Data is good. Everything is good. Yes, overall, many times we would have made much more profits, but don't forget psychology, my friends. Don't forget psychology. The psychology we have when we win. It is so, so important to win, my friends. Don't forget how important it is to win. And I mean this, never forget. It is so important to win, my friends. So, so important. So, I'm searching for longs, as I said. Um, okay. I could take a nice continuation now, but I'm going to be patient. Remember, if I see a little deeper pullback, I will go to take this high. But instead, I will wait. If this doesn't happen, I will wait for sure for the confirmation, and I will take, of course, a really nice continuation towards the upside. Of course, adding the DRIDR edge upon my trading. Upon my trading idea, sorry. Perfect, perfect. Don't forget, my friends, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to do what I just asked from you. You are supporting us. You're supporting our time, our effort, all the job that we put for TTF. You know that I know that you are already supporting us so much. Thank you so much for doing this. Now, if you, of course, are not members and you want to see what TTF offers in general, from a free journal inside your subscription, from the Earn As You Learn program, amazing trading ideas, automated systems that we add upon our analysis, and we can earn some free profits, in my opinion. Of course, unlimited hours of education, and the most supportive community around the trading space, in my opinion. Don't forget, link in the description, trdfloor.com. Algo 2.0 says, do you see the perfect lows below the DRIDR? Price will go there. I would wait with longs till these are swept. Okay, I understand completely your view. I see these equal lows down here, but I am more a probabilistic trader, my beloved friend. I trust what my data says. You probably can be right. I'm not saying that I am right. You can go and take these lows, for example, after at the PM session. I understand your trading idea, and if this idea is what you expect to see, of course, wait for it to play out. Max Taveras, good morning, Alex. Good morning, everyone. Hello, hello. Nice to see you, mate. Welcome, Max. Welcome. Nice to see you. PGA, we are on previous days' high zones. Previous day high zones. Yes, I see exactly what you mean. Let's check also the daily imbalances, the daily volume imbalances. If it breaks it, I believe that it will skyrocket high. Oh, Smaragda, nice to see you. Hello, hello. Καλώς ήρθες. Hello, hello. 1 minute, price is pushing, and we will probably have a confirmation. Can't wait to see what will happen. I love the idea of having an early confirmation. I really like it. And also, if it breaks the volume imbalance from the upside, let's also draw our standard deviation so we can be ready. Okay. Algo 2.0 says, this is fun. I'm actually looking for shorts. Okay, let's see. I would look for shorts if price would go to one standard deviation and then go down, or even take these highs. You see, price is pushing and it's pushing real good. We have our confirmation. Don't forget 80% probabilities that this certain low won't be broken with a 5-minute body. Okay, I like that price has been retracing after our confirmation. I love it, to be honest. Let's enable also fractal frenzy. I hope we will both win. Yeah, me too, my friend, me too. Aaron says, "Hi Alex, do you consider a 5-minute candle close in the IDR as a confirmation, or do you wait until it closes outside the DR level on the 5-minute? Only when it breaks outside the DR level, the solid line, is the 80% probabilities. And with the latest data, it's even more on New York session. Okay. 5-minute. The reason I talked about the 70% was when DR is formed at 10:30 New York AM New York time. There is an opening price and a closing price. I have talked about this in the past, but when the opening price is below the closing price, we have 70% that price is going to confirm bullish. So this means that it will break the DR line. Okay. So in this situation, we had a success. Yes, it confirmed long. Now we have 80% probability that it's not going to break these lows. This low with a 5-minute body. And price is going to the highest. You see, everything that I'm talking to you is based on probabilities. Nothing else. Louis says, I'll go shorts. That's a gutsy move. Yeah, indeed. Aaron says, got it. Thanks. As I know the master uses the IDR sometimes. Thanks. I would like to know that too. If you have anything to share with me in private, I would like to learn it too. He uses other things, at least from when I was at the community or at the academy. I know he uses many concepts, but in my opinion, that is the gap that his very good education has, is that there are too many information and everyone gets confused. Ung says, hello Alex, will there be PDFs of your latest masterclass in the Discord? I shared them, my friend Ung. They are in the Fractal Frenzy chat room. For some reason, we were not able to pin it. I don't know why. But if you scroll a little bit above, you will find them. I will try to share them again. Okay. So you can download them. But if you scroll a little bit above, you will find them. I have shared them, all 8 of them. All 8 of them. Okay. We are patiently waiting. I was sure that we wouldn't have any. We needed a more aggressive pullback so we can be able to see something to form over here, a change of character of something, so we can take a trade. Now we will only be patient so everything can align. We don't want to force things to happen, even if this means that we are not going to execute any of the trades. Hamzi, is nice to see you, mate. I'm doing very, very well, my beloved friend. Thanks for asking. Nice to see you, mate. Nice to see you. I hope that you are doing well. I hope that you are doing well. Let's be patient to see some things to form so we can be able to capitalize upon this move if, of course, it gives us the opportunity to. We're never force things to happen. Don't forget it. I'm always doing well. I'm very happy for you, mate. I'm very happy. I'm truly happy. Well done, my friend. You know, the most important thing is to feel and to be well. All the other things are just how can I say it? Recyclable items. Health and feeling very good is the most important in life. Well done. I'm very happy for you, mate. Has price broken the daily value balances? Yes, they have. I have a gut feeling that price is going to go sky high, my friends. I have a feeling. Louis says, I think we're coming up for a pullback shortly, but I wouldn't consider shorting until we get to the 25,200 mark, high of March 4th. Okay. Unk says, could have impact today. Headset says today would be the most intense of US war on Iran. Okay. I didn't know that. But with one statement of the president, oil pulled back hardly. Everything is pulling back hardly. Suddenly, euphoria again in the markets of one statement that the war is going to end very close soon. Of course, I'm sorry, but we can't trust. That's the reality. We can't trust anything that we see because this changes day to day all the time. So we must be very careful on our trading decisions. Hamsi says I would expect price to hold around 2500 25,100 25,100 and 25,070. Otherwise, not expecting much more for this session. Okay. Probably yes. We will see, Hamtsiz. I saw that it broke these volume imbalances, these daily volume imbalances. I'm very curious to see if price is going to find support at it. I won't lie. I would like also to see a little bit deeper pullback so we can take a real nice continuation, but it is okay. Algo 2.0 says when 25,146 is swept, I'd personally consider shorting. Okay. I mean this one, this level. Buy side. Okay. Buy side. If I see a correct setup. I don't know. I don't know exactly what you're looking at, but I know that you want, in order to go long, you said that you want to these equal lows to get taken. Probably yes, probably not. I'm not so sure what will happen because, of course, we have this huge move happening. So, in general, we must be quite patient to see, especially if it goes to the high probability levels. If I see one standard deviation being taken, I would reverse engineer and then search for shorts. Fractal Frenzy is printing, is probably going to print. We have this small fair value gap over here. Let's put a limit order, 31 points, going for if, of course, it prints, we will get ready. It took it back, unfortunately. Unfortunately, it took it back. Aaron says a break and retest of the London DR high could be nice. Yeah, I would like that too. That's a scenario I would love to see, but I'm not seeing that's going to happen. This gap was filled, unfortunately. Let's see if it's going to hold the signal. Hamsi says, I'm already in, but partialing a lot at the moment. I could go here, but content with enough already up favar, so that's more than enough. Of course, it's not. First of all, congratulations, my friend Hamsis. I would love to, if you could explain us your thought process that you enter down here, except if you took an AZNDR breakout, because I would love this entry if you took this, but I know that you're not trading these concepts. I know that, and then I'm just joking, of course. Really nice entry, although, if you're already in a 5R trade, really nice entry. Hamsis over here traded the double bottom. This one, Algo 2.0 says this one lies in a fair value gap to the left, so it's a very good liquidity pool. Okay, I understand what you mean. Okay. If there wouldn't be the equal lows, but instead a sweep down low, I'll be going with the inverted value gap at the bottom. Good morning to you. Good morning to you also. Oh. We forgot. No. What? Oh no, I was looking at the chat. Come on. Please, come on, please. Please, come on. I was looking at the chat. Please tag me. Please. Don't do this to me, please. Oh, come on. The curse of the live stream returned. The curse of the live stream. Hello, Ken. Good morning, mate. Good morning, my friend. Good morning. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Hamsi says 6th May, 6 o'clock, fair value gap on the 1 hour was my point of interest. Just waited for the right time that entered on the 1 minute at the 10.25 fair value gap and stop loss under the 10.25 candle. That was my setup. Perfect. Very nice. Very nice and simple, my beloved friend. I love your trading idea. I love your trade execution. Amazing. Well done, mate. Well done. Well done. And I mean this, well done. I love the simplicity in this trading idea, and I mean this. Ken, my friend, how are you? How is it going? Nice to see you, mate. I was looking at the chat when I saw the message of the trading floor, and I said that I didn't type anything. What happened? And I didn't set my order. The curse of the live stream. It's not made for me to take a really nice trade during the live stream. Should I chase this fair value gap over here? Chat costing you again. Well, okay, no worries. I love what I do, Maxi. That's why I don't really care. That's the reality. But the only thing that I really want is to take a huge trade with all of you guys live. This is something that I really, 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 really want. But okay, if it doesn't come, it doesn't. Yeah, it was a really nice one. I'll go. Maxi says, no, don't chase it. Maybe it will pull back. That's fine. Well, yeah, okay. No, I'm not going to chase it, of course. For sure, I'm not. I never do this. I never have done this, and I will never do this. It is what it is, of course. I'm also curious to see what will happen after it's going to take this high. So I'm going to cancel the order. Unfortunately, we weren't able to take it. I'm going to leave the markup. Let's pretend that I took the trade. That's how all the YouTubers do it. And when we want to lie what we do, we put the risk to reward tool and we say that we took. It would be a 2.6 hour trade. Yeah, I'm winning now. Let's pretend that I'm winning. And we'll write with big titles in Discord. Look at the huge trade I took. Look at the huge trade I took. Well, yeah, we are full of all of these. Maxi says you can enter 20 times using a new paper trading account every time. Yeah, huge reality. Huge reality. Exactly, mate. Exactly. It would be a really good trade, although that's the reality. We had a really nice retest. I would love to see a little deeper pullback. That's what I would like to see, really. But okay, it's probably leaving without us. It's okay. We can't do anything about it. Profits will wait one more day. Price took liquidity. Curious to see what will happen. It took liquidity to the tick. Curious to see what will happen. Our market maker model. Perfect. Well done, Hamzis. Well done, mate. Huge trade, my friend. Huge trade. Really nice. Winner, chicken dinner. Exactly, Mr. Ken. You are a PUBG lover like me. I used to play so many hours of PUBG. So many hours. Which game you preferred, my friends? First of all, do you play video games? I'm 41 years old and I'm still playing video games. I'm mostly a simmer. I play Flight Simulator lately. No, the last 10 years, over 10 years. But at the same time, I was playing also PUBG a lot. I was not so much a COD fun. But many times I give it a try. Okay. Let's see. Of course, my friends, don't forget, please, if you are enjoying what we are doing over here, all the live trading sessions that we are doing, all the tips that we are giving, please hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and enable all notifications. It won't cost you anything. You can't imagine how much you support us. And of course, whoever isn't member of TTF, don't forget, link in the description, trdfloor.com, link in the description. Go to the website and see how many things we offer with our subscription. Ken says price is overextended to the upside. Wait for a decent pullback. Yeah. It's sky high. Louis says Minecraft through and through with a slice of Zelda through the winter nights. Okay, winter nights. Sorry. Okay. Ken says I'm 62. No games for me. Lol. Okay. I believe that gaming doesn't have an age, my beloved friend Ken. I'm sure that I will be 60 and I'm still going to play Flight Simulator. Until then, I hope that I will have bought a house that I will have a virtual cockpit in my house. Until then, I will play on my PC. Maxi says I actually like playing poker. Oh, poker. Interesting. I also used to play poker, but I won't lie to you guys. Although I'm a very good risk manager in trading, I'm not such a good risk manager in poker because I can't understand completely when I must bluff. uh, because my trading skills are mostly following rules. So everyone that sits with me and plays understand from the first moment that I never bluff. When I have a card, I will go all in. so, so that's a problem when I'm trading. When I'm playing poker, that's a huge problem. PGA says we still have like 50 points higher to reach previous weekly high. Well, for sure we have. We are going towards the standard deviation. I can't wait to see what will happen after that. The highest probability standard deviation. Haha, Hamsis, I used to play Ark Survival a lot online, but put in too much hours, so I quit gaming. Oh, I will never quit gaming. It relaxes me so much. My dream from a small kid was to be a pilot. Oh, unfortunately, I had a small problem in my eyes, so I wasn't able to be a pilot. That's why through simming, I go and feel the skies every time I want. My dream comes true through the game. Patrick says, do you live every day? No, we don't. I don't stream every day, my beloved friend. We stream every Tuesday and Friday publicly, and we have also three more streams that we do in our private Discord community. If you, of course, are not a member of TTF, hit the link in the description, trdfloor.com. You can see how many things we offer. And, of course, any support that any trader of our community needs, we provide it as fast as we can. Maxi, you don't think how often you can pretend to have something when you actually don't have anything. It's just about not giving up when you have decent cards. Okay. Okay. I understand what you said. It's just that I haven't put the time so much to. I know many traders that are very good poker players because it has the same logic. But for some reason, I'm not good at my negotiations when I have or when I don't have a good card. That's my biggest problem, and that is the whole game. To be honest, that's the whole game. So if I'm not able to execute these simple things, that is for sure a problem. Price is returning aggressively. Let's see what will happen. We must be a little bit more patient. Maybe price went to zero point 0.8 standard deviation and wants to come back. Who knows? If I was in a trade, I would for sure have trailing aggressively my trade. I would manage my trade aggressively, especially if I was above my standard 1.6, 1.5. Okay. Yeah, of course, I just like this kind of logical games. I'm very good negotiator. Well, I'm not such a good negotiator. That's the reality, but uh, oh no, what is Price doing? Thank God we are not in a trade. Thank God we are not in a trade. What is Price doing? Wow, it melted. Let me, oops, sorry. Let me put the deviation profits. It went to zero point 0.9, my friends. You see by yourselves, it went to zero point 0.9. We cannot blame it, of course. We cannot blame it. It is what it is, of course. By the way, Louis says at this point you might get tagged in after all. Yes, but now I would like to see again an extra confirmation. I wouldn't enter like that because looking price almost targeting the one standard deviation going to zero point 0.9 makes me think that we might have extended. This is the max extension of the session. I may be wrong, of course. Let's see. Maxi says, by the way, my edge didn't play out today again, same thing as yesterday, but this doesn't mean anything, of course. I'm just always journaling if it actually played out or not. Well, my friend, don't forget, Maxi, that in any trading strategy, for example, if we have a 50% win rate or the edge plays in about uh, for about 60 and 70% a time, that we will always have strike losses in the number of 5, 6. This doesn't mean, of course, that it doesn't work. Don't forget. Of course, it doesn't mean that it doesn't work. For sure. Oh, Algo is in a short. Okay, mate. Good luck, my friend. Good luck. I hope it plays out. Good luck. Good luck, my friend. Good luck. Hope it plays out. Interesting stuff. You entered on this inventor fee value gap, I believe. I hope it plays out. I hope it plays out, my friend. Maxi says, yeah, sure, my execution wasn't perfect for today, of course, but it made sense when looking at this now. Okay. Well, I completely understand you, my friend. It is very, very important, Maxi, that you are executing your ads. Okay. So, so important. You followed your rules. It wasn't a day. You know, me personally, you know how many times I have been wrong. Unlimited. Unlimited hours I have been wrong. Unlimited hours. Unlimited times. Indeed, that fair value gap, inverted fair value gap, yes. I hope it plays out, mate. I hope it plays out, Algo. Don't forget, my friends, hit the like button if you're enjoying what we are doing over here. It doesn't cost you anything. Of course, you support us even more than you believe. And whoever wants to be a member of TTF, link in the description, trdfloor.com, my beloved friends, is the domain of our website. Go check how many stuff is going around here in TTF. From the most supportive Discord in the trading space to an automated journal that can help you journal your trades, from the Earn As You Learn program, the huge opportunity for everyone to be able to earn some extra profits. And of course, I can't forget the unlimited hours of education, unlimited hours of education. And of course, when you are member of TTF, you are able to have also a risk calculator for MT5. You will see all this information in the website of TTF. Maxi, yeah, I know executing the edge is the most important thing. Exactly, mate. Exactly. It is the most important thing. Let's see. I'm very curious what is happening, what will happen. Price is trying to do its stuff. After it hit the 0.9. It's retracing a little bit. I can't believe that price will go for higher, even higher levels. I really can't tell what will happen. How many of you, my friends, are playing still video games? How many of you? And what game are you still playing? Equal lows. Oh, that's your target, the equal lows. Interesting, my friend. Interesting. Max says, I'm waiting for price to pull back at 25,074 on a 5-minute fair value gap to enter long. 74. Yeah, okay. I hope it plays out. I hope it plays out. I hope it plays out. I ditched games 100%. Okay, Algo 2.0. Okay. Luis, have a great remainder to your day. Thank you so much, mate. Have a nice day, my friend. Aaron says, "Hi Alex, can you please go over gold for me? I'm thinking bullish. Really nice higher time frame and looks like we might get confirmation soon. Thanks. You're welcome, my friend. Let's take a look at gold. Of course we can. Of course we can. Let's take a look at gold. Well, gold is in this higher. After this push down, price is in pullback. Don't forget, price is also in this bearish fair value gap over here. This is the daily time frame. Price is in this bear. In general, we are consolidating on gold. This is the reality. I like the manipulation it has done above the opening weekly and daily price. For now, I'm seeing that it is bullish. The order flow seems that it is pushing high. Of course, never know what will happen. Let's take a look from a DR perspective. Clear bullish expansion model. Price has for sure confirmed long on gold. So based on DR concepts, we for sure expect higher prices for gold. Be careful. Be careful, of course. The order flow seems to be also bullish. You see price broke this bearish order block over here. This one, let me make this small one. It's looking that it wants to break from this range. Of course, be careful because I love what I'm seeing. I love that price has confirmed. For me, the 1 hour is clearly bullish. So why not? This will continue bullish. We have a clear bullish expansion model. Just be careful. Just be careful. Algo addiction stuff. Okay, my friend. Of course, I respect what your opinion. Of course, I respect it. Bye, Luis. Yeah. Okay. Leah, welcome, Leah. Welcome, Leah. Nice to see you. Welcome. Welcome. Welcome, Leah. Price. Let's go back to NQ. Price is pushing again. Look where it reacted again. Hey Leah, hey Alex, have you in the background as I'm cooking? Hope to tune in more now that I'm done with my youngest. Okay, okay, nice to see you, nice to see you. It is always my pleasure to see you over here. It is always my pleasure. Look, let's see some magic. What price did 1 to 0.9 standard deviation, returned exactly to the 0.5. And now pushed again. And now pushed again. It's trying to fly without us, probably. Trying to fly without us again, of course. Of course, again. If price goes up here, it will be too late. I'm afraid of the overextended markets. I won't lie to you. I'm quite afraid of the overextended markets. But I believe that we have much more room to the upside. That's why if price returns down here, I will try to enter. I will try to enter. I will try to enter. Hello, hello, my friends. Hello. Don't forget, my friends, hit the like button. It means a lot. You help us so, so much, my friends. You help us so, so much. Okay, okay. Please, price, pull back a little bit. We need to try to enter the markets. Must give it a try at least. I don't know if we're going to succeed, but we must give it a try. As I said, the only thing that scares me is the overextended markets. Only 0.5 are. Patrick, can you explain what do we get in your private Discord server? Well, first of all, the Discord is for support and of course to have access to multiple live streams and multiple educations. If you join the community of TTF, you have access to our trading journal that you can of course access when with your subscription. You will have access to almost everyday trading ideas that are produced from the Earn As You Learn program. Amazing opportunity for everyone to earn some extra profit, especially if you're in the education phase. And I can't stop telling you about the unlimited hours of education on all the concepts that are around, and of course a huge bundle of indicators that we provide here. And one of the indicators that you are seeing, for example, is now I have upon my charts fractal frenzy. We have 6 proprietary indicators, and I believe that now I must enter. I will take my try. Let's cover down here. And let's go for a 1.8. Okay, my friend. If of course you are interested, don't forget, go. Also, my friend Ken posted the link. You will find the link in the description. Go and see with your own eyes what we offer. I believe that the package is of course value for money, and trust me, you will nowhere find the support in the trading space as you will find it here in the trading floor. Okay, tagged in. Okay, don't please force, don't go down now, please. Okay, now you are doing it well. Please pull back a little bit. Yes, nice, nice, nice. Let's see. Oh, sorry. I minimized my window, sorry. Of course, whoever wonders why I entered, this is a fair value gap, of course. This is why we have also the confirmation from Fractal Frenzy that price is going up. If, of course, wants truly to go to the 1 standard deviation, I will take advantage of this pullback and this shift in the market. If it doesn't, we will take a loss and call it a day. Patrick, it's a wonderful community, no spam bullshit. Okay, thank you so much, Leah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Very professional and very supportive. Thank you so much. Patrick says, what is your win rate on the live sessions? What do you mean, my beloved friend? The trades that I'm taking live? I could lie to you and say that I have an 100% win rate. But this is not the reality, of course. This is not the reality. We of course take losses. I believe that my win rate on live streams, especially on the private ones, is above 60%. And if you be a member of TTF, you will see also a live trade that I took yesterday that I recorded and posted with proof, of course, that I took the trade. on our Discord. Algo 2.2 says, no, do not listen to this crazy guy from Greece. Double top and down. Yeah, I'm not so confident in this trade, Algo. I'm not so confident. This is the reality. I'm not feeling so confident, but we will see what will happen. I know that you are short. I know that I am long. It's very, very curious to see what will happen. I'm very, very curious. For now, you are winning. Let's see who is going to win the fight. Who is going to win the fight? Well, yes, of course, it's interesting. As I said, the only reason I entered was that still the one standard deviation is still untagged. I could also hypothetically believe the lower percentages that we have to go to 1.2, but I trust the process, I trust my bias. If it plays out, it plays. If it doesn't, okay, we took a loss and we will call it a day. It is what it is. We can't do anything. I had a plan. I really had my bias and I followed it to the tick. Confident or not, says Leah, we follow the system and whatever happens, happens. Exactly, Leah, exactly. We have our bias, we have our confirmation, we just trust the edge, the true edge, and whatever happens. Ken says price is starting to consolidate at the moment. Yes, I see it. I don't like it at all. Patrick says, do we get a step-by-step tutorial how to automate our trading strategy like the TMA guy was talking about in his newest YouTube short? Yes, there is a step-by-step a course on how to use certain tools to be able to automate your trading based on webhooks. So, of course, you're referring to Arti. Arti is one of the owners of TTF. Okay, so if you, of course, come into the community, you will find the course that guides you step by step and what tools you're going to need in order to create and make your automated trading strategy. Okay. Smaragda says, okay, I'm going to join the party. See you guys on the other side. See you. See you, Smaragda. Nice to see you. Thanks for joining. And of course, as Ken confirmed, the Trading Grandpa, yes, that would be the webhook course. The webhook course is the course that Artie was talking about in his video, my friend. Oh, my wife, I love you so much. She bring me my very, very special Freddo Espresso, my friends. I love coffee, you know, and I love her wife, my wife, because she went and bought it for me. Oh, such a good one, such a good one. Dinner here, much love. We'll tune in more. Okay, okay. Have a nice dinner. Enjoy it. Enjoy it, my friend. Enjoy it. Hugs and kisses to everyone. Hugs and kisses to everyone. Oh, please don't make Algo right. What are you doing, Price? Push up, please. What are you doing now? What are you doing? Come on. Price. Go up. Must be the fancy streamer. Go up. I want to be the fancy streamer over here. Don't ruin it for me. Come on. Go up. Go up. Go up, please. Please go up. Please. Please, 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 please. Please. Thank you. Please, more. Please, 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 higher. Oh, no, no, not one more inventor for value gap. Come on. Reclaim it, please. Reclaim it. Let's find an excuse why price is going to go up, because it's going to reclaim the fair value gap. That's why. There will be an explosion. I just do not know in which direction. Well, no one knows. For now, it's just consolidating, ranging. Of course, weakness. We see weakness. We see weakness. I believe that it will probably help you and go towards your direction. Maybe it wants to retest over here and come down. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, now I have the full R on the table. Okay. Okay, I like it. I like it. I hope that it will go towards your direction, because it's not going towards mine for sure. At least you will win and you will profit from this trade. Look, price one more time reacted again to the 0.9 standard deviation. Look. Probably this will be the highest extension for the day. And Algo 2.0 was right. It just stopped us out. You were right. And for the transparency, of course, of how transparent I am. This is the trade. Let me post to all of you to see that. I don't know if you will find a more transparent trader than me. This is my Ninja Trader. Okay. Copied across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 accounts. We unfortunately took a loss, but of course it is what it is. Look over here. It is probably going to break this demand level over here, or call it this order block. And I believe Algo is going to win for sure. Oh, no, sorry, my friend. No, sorry. I understood from the first moment that the trade didn't look so good. The only thing that scares me, again, price reacted very aggressively at 0.5 standard deviation. But for some reason, it's feeling much more aggressive. I believe that it will go for sure lower. From what I saw now, for sure it's going to go lower. Let's go. Come on, for our friend Algo. Let's go. For our friend Algo. Come on, price, for our friend. This is trading, my friends. When someone, of course, loses, someone else wins. This is the reality, and this is how this is what really happens in the stock market. When someone is winning, someone else isn't. So it is so it's the reality. I took the gold breakout, TP1 hit, and rest to break even now. Super happy. Well done, Algo. Hey, Aaron, sorry. Well done, my friend. Nail it, my friend. Price is going aggressively low. Let's see. This is what? This is a breaker block now. Price is not breaking. It broke it. Okay. The 0.5 standard deviation. It must break it. It must break it. Of course, my friends, don't forget, if you enjoy what we are doing over here, please hit the like button. It means a lot for all of us. You can't imagine how much you support us. Okay. Oh, Price, what are you doing again? What are you doing? We said to make Algo 2.0 a winner. Please melt. Melt, Price, melt. That gold one was a really nice trade. That's the reality. It was a really good trade. We had an amazing retest. Very nice. Well done, Aaron. Well done. Such a good trade, my friend. Such a good trade, mate. Well done. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy, Aaron. Well done, mate. Such a good trade. Well done. And for our friend Patrick, my friend, this is the reality of TTF. You see, our members are trying to make it happen. Many times they make it happen. Many times they won't. This is real trading. I today didn't make profits, but as you're seeing, and Algo and our friend Aaron were able to make profits today, and we are very proud of them. Well done. Give him a magnet. I don't want to jinx him, PGA. I don't want to jinx him because lately the magnet is jinx. Lately the magnet is not working so well. I don't want to jinx him. I'm afraid that we will jinx him. We don't want to jinx our friend. No magic magnet, please. You are afraid of the magnet, Algo. You are afraid. You are afraid of the magnet. Still not break even. Where is your break even level? Down here at 25,085. That is your break even level. Okay. Interesting. Learn from the best. Thank you, mate. It means a lot. Your words mean a lot for me. Your words mean a lot. Thank you, mate. Thank you. I believe it's going to melt now, Algo. This is my belief. High conviction, lower break even. Okay. I won't lie. I agree with your opinion. For sure, I'm expecting a deeper pullback, although I don't know if it's going to go so low as you are expecting. That is very, very low levels to go down for these equal lows, but of course, everything can happen. Maybe Mr. Trump will sneeze a little bit and price will melt down. Max says, I want to take a long trade but hesitant to take it since we are still at a premium level. Well, I will agree with you. A level that I would consider to take a trade again would be if I see price come around the DR and IDR level over here. This will make me feel more confident. But as you said, I can't ignore that price is already overextended, but we must be very, very careful. This is my view. I would feel much more confident if I saw a price coming down here. Trump seems to have a cold right now. He sneezed heavily yesterday evening. Yeah, he did. But you saw also which levels were being respected. And I cannot forget that today is Tuesday and we formed our new weekly DR levels. I'll do them again. Today is Tuesday, so what do we have? We have our new formed weekly DR levels. Where it is, weekly DR level, yes. And the same is down here. Okay. So this is our DR levels for price broking in this breaker. Okay. It's probably playing with everyone. Aaron. Algo says end of New York opening times and suddenly explosion. Okay. Who knows? Aaron says, I'm hopping off here. Thanks for all the help. Let's hope for the better opportunities tomorrow. Yeah, of course. Thank you so much for joining, mate. It means a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. I'm out. This push was too much. Yeah, just to stop us out. It was. It stopped us out, and then it's probably going to go towards our levels. I'm used to it. I'm used to it. Also broke this inverted fair value gap. I exited manually, and I believe that you did wisely. There's no meaning in having your capital on risk. I agree with your move. Price suddenly exploded with no certain reason, and stop loss would have hit. Oh, that's even worse. Now at least you avoided this loss. You see that price is consolidating between, look, the 0.5 and the 0.9 standard deviation. So you did very well. My friends, I'm going to end today's stream. Thank you all one by one for joining. It means a lot. Thank you for all the support. Thank you especially for the company that you are doing to me during these live streams. See you all on Friday publicly. And of course, I can't wait for Thursday that I'm going to live stream for in private in our Discord, because we have so many interesting things to talk about the Earn As You Learn. Thank you all. Thank you all so much. Bye bye. See you all on Friday publicly. Thank you so much. For you guys of TTF, see you all on Thursday. Bye bye.